Day traders, hope you guys having a good trade today. I hope you did also try to follow my key level and make a lot of profit from it. Thank you so much for your continuous support. So I'm sorry if I didn't sound very nice. I did sound tired because I really am tired today. Just back home from work and I try to catch up with the trading. But I did make an entry today and did make some profit. I will not say a lot, but some profit. It's enough for me for my side hustle. Right. So first we're gonna take a look at our US dollar index. I'm gonna do a quick mapping session, finding another key level. If our key level is invalid, so I'm just gonna take a quick look with you guys. I'm gonna take this time to share with you guys. Now the price is technically trying to go bullish right now. For a few hours the price did go down and then try to go up, but now it's rejected from our resistance, which is the support become resistance. Now this one we will try to be cautious because this one we want to be cautious because uh if the dollar is weakening this week, it means it might break this bullish on the block and the gold will go up. But if there's nothing that any data, there's no data that supported this, so you might see that the uh, it might be rejected from our resistance and then into our break from our support become resistant and entering our bearish of the block. And here we will have a lot of liquidity that will touch this level and then we'll break again this coming week. So why I say it's gonna be my buyers still bullish, because yesterday I already break down to you guys that the price will be my US dollar index will be bullish because of the data we get from last week. All right, so even structure here supported that the US dollar index will be bullish. So I'm gonna say my bias is gonna be bullish. All right, so what I'm gonna say here we'll have a lot of liquidity because here over here we have a base, so there's a lot of liquidity that needs to be acquired, that needs to be taken in order for the US dollar index to break this bearish order block, right? So I'm gonna say that the US dollar index this coming week will be bullish and our gold spot will be bearish. So we're gonna take a look for our gold spot against US dollar. Now we can see here we still have the same key level. Our key level still valid, still can be used. And right now it's still support become resistance, so this is our resistance. Now over here we still have our support become resistance. If you're not confident enough, you can pull back over here. So this is our previous support, or you can take it more further back, which is here is our support become resistance level. So how many times that the price break down to this break down this support become resistance is 1 and 2. So this is the second time that the price enter this key level. So this is the interesting interesting price that the market uh, wanted to go through. So if we're gonna take a Fibonacci retracement, we're just gonna have to take a quick look. I'm just gonna go to from our swing low to swing high to swing low. Sorry, I have to bring this down. So that means this key level here is our equilibrium. This this is the equilibrium. So we might see the price might go down again. This is the where the price will reverse. So right now it's going uptrend. Now the price will do downtrend. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a bearish, unless the dollar is started to weakening this week. So I'm gonna say it's gonna be a bearish, which is what we thought yesterday. It's gonna be uh actually I just thought that it will be to this level, but right now we can see it gets into this level and get rejected a bit, but there's not enough liquidity for it to go down. So I guess it's gonna stay here, and then it's gonna break this level soon, and then we're gonna see a retest, and then without mercy goes into this area. Why over here there's not enough volume? Because here we have a lot of order block on this level, a lot of transition of order block, right? We have suddenly become a bullish order block, and then uh the price making a bearish order block again, it goes up, and then suddenly it's become a bullish order block. So uh I'm gonna say that the price will go bearish this time, so we just gonna have to wait at our lower time frame. Just take a look at our lower time frame and find a lot of confluence, try to find if there's any change of character that will happen soon. Now if the price goes below this level, we have a change of character, so that's where this is the level, which is 3316, the level. If the bearish started to change shift here, it's starting to make a change of character to bearish, then we're gonna have to wait for our divergence or something that support our confluence, then we're gonna entry long to that level. But before we confirm to entry long, we can target this order block over here. We can target this order block over here, and we can target the order block on this level. Now you can put one or two layer. You can put one or two layer, because I think this, because I'm pretty sure this if the price goes bearish, this order block over here will be break. This level here will be breakthrough. This one over here will be break, and we can uh, aim at this level, bullish order block at this level, or the bullish order block on this level. All right, so you can put profit 1, profit 2 for the bearish. All right now I'm trying to find a divergence for the reversal, but for the lower time frame, it's already started to making a bearish movement. Sorry, a bullish movement, right, for our lower time frame. So we're just gonna have to wait until tomorrow, because right now there's not a lot of volume, a lot of fake out, a lot of liquidity. So we're just gonna have to wait until tomorrow morning, during the London session, where we can find where the liquidity is stop, where is the liquidity grab. So we just follow what the price give us at that moment, and if the price going into our key level, that's where we want to go. That's where we want to enter, monitor closely, find confluence, and entry at that level. Right, but right now I'm looking for any confluence, but the volume is low. There's a lot of fake out. I don't want to entry at this level right now, because it might be very risky. Might be very risky to enter at this level, because not a lot of volume at this hour. So if we take a look over here, you might have an divergence. Let me just take my book. You might have a bearish divergence, because let me get the arrow, because the price is pushing higher. The price try to push higher, but it's showing different. Now if you're brave enough, you can enter this level, but I'm just gonna have to wait tomorrow morning for a lot of volumes, so we can enter long for tomorrow. Just wait, we don't have to chase the price, we don't have to uh we don't have to be fear of missing out. We just wait for the price to enter our key level. That's all I can share with you guys. So that's all our mapping for today. Hope you guys find something that's useful for your gold today. Just remember that what I'm saying is, we can find a bearish setup or sell setup for our gold this coming week. For tomorrow, I'm still gonna find a sell setup unless when I wake up it's already bullish. Then we can just follow the trend, follow the momentum. All right, that's all I can share with you guys. See you guys again next time.